Yeah, good morning. This is Denix, your real estate expert. Uh, Today is Thursday, the 11th of August 2022. I'm here to bring you information. They say is power, right? There are some investors, property buyers that say that, oh, I want to have real estate in the mainland, Lagos mainland. So that is why I am bringing you this information. Now, the best part to have your property on the mainland is Ikeja and its environs. Where why do I say so? These are the places where you have more value appreciation. Because what is investment after all when the value appreciation is not there? So we're talking of value appreciation. Now talk of the mainland. This is the area where you would buy property and you can be guaranteed value appreciation over time. So now I bring to you this property called COURTS KETU. It is in Ikeja division, right? It is in Ikeja division. From the third mainland bridge, before you after the estate, you take the right turn, as in going to my 12. Then you see a blue. Then you drive down about some 400 to 500 meters. You drive down. Then by your right, you see a blue rooftop. You turn into that nylon production takes place, right? You turn into that street. So that property is on that street. That estate is on that street. Here we're selling a plot measuring 600 square meters for 15.2 million naira. A few months ago, it was selling for 9 million naira. Now it has appreciated to 15.2 million naira, all inclusive, every statutory fees, developmental fee, everything is embedded inside that 15.2 million naira, 600 square meter. It is a very good place for you to buy your land. If you want to buy and build, good, right? If you want to buy and build, good. You do a kind of sand filling, because it's not other dry, right? It's a wet place. So you have to do a soil test, and then do your soil test, and then after your soil test, that will determine the kind of structure that the best structure you want to put there, right? Especially if you want to put for being an estate, we have restriction of some type of properties that should be put there, right? Yes. Nothing like face me and fix you. You can build the likes of terraces, duplexes, triplexes. You can build them there, semi-detaches, fully detaches, right? Yes. Then you are buying to keep. There's what they call property flipping. You buy, you hold for some period of time, then you now dispose after you feel that you have made enough appreciation there. Maybe, for instance, as you are buying it for 15.2 million naira now, and then maybe by next year, when it turns to 30 million naira, you want to dispose. Fine, that is what's called property flipping. So don't sleep on this. Don't just sleep on this. Just make haste immediately and call the number you are seeing on the screen. We will schedule inspection. We will go there, we will inspect. You see the place you are buying. If you are viewing from the diaspora, then maybe you have representative here in Lagos whom you can vouch for, then you can go for inspection. But if you don't have the representative, the video is there. Take your decision there. We'll get started. I will send you the frequently asked question, the subscription form. You take as many plots as you want. Then once the payment is made, receipt will be sent to you, contract of sale will be sent to you, and then the notice of allocation will be sent to you for the date of allocation. If you still do not have somebody to do the allocation for you, I can stand in for you, do the allocation for you, then send you your document over there abroad, right? I will bill you your document over there, your contract of sale, even the soft copies, you get the soft copies, everything, you get them soft copies over there. So do not waste time, just call me, then we'll get started. That's the way to get started. To get it started, I'll send you the FAQ, I'll send you the subscription form. You fill it, you can fill it online, or you can print it, fill it, then snap it, scan it, and send to my WhatsApp, right? Then every payment you made, the evidence of payment, you send to my WhatsApp to process it, to enable me process it in the office. Thank you. Happy listening and happy investing. Thank you. Bye. Once again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do, so that our subsequent presentations, you'll fully be in the know. Thank you and enjoy your day. Denix, your real estate expert.